6 months ago, I was spending 15 hours a week on tasks that AI could do in minutes. I was using AI tools wrong, scattered, no system, just random prompts when I remembered. Then I built a complete AI workflow. Now I save 10 hours every single week. Real time, measurable. In the next 8 minutes, I will show you my exact workflow. Every tool, every step, every automation. You can copy this today and start saving time immediately. Let me show you. Most people use AI like this. They remember ChatGPT exists. They ask it one question, get an answer, then go back to working manually. No system, no consistency. This is like owning a Ferrari but only using it once a month. You are wasting the tool. Here was my wake-up moment. It tracked my time for 1 week. Writing emails, 6 hours. Research and summaries, 4 hours. Creating documents and presentations, 3 hours. Meeting notes and follow-ups, 2 hours. That is 15 hours on tasks AI can handle. So I built a workflow, a system where AI handles these tasks automatically. Not random. Note when I remember. Automatically, every single day. Here is exactly how it works. My AI workflow has 3 parts. Morning, during work. End of day. Let me walk you through each one. Morning workflow, 8 a.m. Email management. I open Gemini AI connected to my Gmail. I say, summarize all emails from the last 12 hours. Identify anything urgent. Draft responses to the top 3. Gemini reads my entire inbox. Gives me a summary in 30 seconds. 3 urgent emails identified. Responses drafted. I review them. Make small edits. Send. What used to take 45 minutes now takes 5 minutes. Next. Daily planning with Notion AI. I have a Notion dashboard. My tasks, my projects, my deadlines. Every morning I ask Notion AI, review my tasks for today and prioritize the top 5 based on deadlines and importance. Notion AI analyzes everything. Gives me my top 5 priorities. I do not waste time deciding what to work on. AI decides for me based on actual data. Focus is instant. During the workday, research with Perplexity AI. When I need to research anything, I do not use Google anymore. I use Perplexity. Why? Because Perplexity gives me the answer with sources in one search. Google gives me 10 blue links I have to click through. Example? I needed to research AI regulation changes in Europe. Google search. 20 minutes of reading articles. Perplexity search. 2 minutes. Full summary. All sources cited. Copy. Paste into my document. Done. Content creation with Claude AI. I use Claude for any long-form writing. Blog posts. Reports. Emails that need to sound professional and thoughtful. I paste my rough notes. Ask Claude to organize and expand them into a full draft. My rough notes are messy. Bullet points. Half sentences. Claude turns them into polished professional content in 3 minutes. What used to take me 2 hours now takes 15 minutes, including my edits. Meeting workflow. This one saves massive time. During any meeting, I use Gemini voice mode on my phone. I just let it listen to the entire meeting. At the end, I say, summarize this meeting into 3 sections. Key decisions. Action items with owners. Follow-up questions. Gemini gives me perfect meeting notes in 30 seconds. I paste them into Notion. Share with my team. What used to take me 20 minutes of manual note-taking and organizing is now instant. Automation with Zapier. This is advanced but powerful. I connected my email to Notion using Zapier. Any email with the word action or task in the subject automatically creates a task in my Notion workspace. I never manually add tasks from emails anymore, it just happens. Same thing with my calendar. Any new meeting added to Google Calendar automatically creates a preparation note in Notion with the meeting agenda and attendees. I am always prepared without thinking about it. End of day workflow. 6 p.m. I ask Notion AI, review what I completed today and what needs to carry over to tomorrow. Create my task list for tomorrow prioritized by importance. Notion AI reviews everything, tells me what I finished, what I did not finish, creates tomorrow's task list automatically. I close my laptop knowing exactly what I'm doing tomorrow. No planning needed in the morning. It is already done. Weekly review. Friday afternoon. Every Friday, I ask Claude, review my Notion workspace from this week. Identify patterns, what took too much time, what I should automate next. Suggest improvements. Claude analyzes my entire week. Points out where I am wasting time. Suggests specific automations I should build next. My workflow keeps improving every single week. Let me summarize the exact tools in my workflow. Gemini AI for email and calendar integration, free. Notion AI for task management and planning. Free version works fine. Perplexity AI for research, free. Claude AI for writing, free with limits. I pay for Pro. Zapier for automation. Free tier has enough for basic workflows. Total cost: $20 per month for Claude Pro. Everything else is free. Time saved: 10 hours per week minimum. 3 final tips. 1. Start with just morning email workflow. Get comfortable. Then add more. 2. Do not try to automate everything at once. Pick your biggest time waste and automate that first. 3. Review your workflow every Friday. Keep improving it. If you build this workflow, you will never go back. I cannot imagine working without it now. If this helped you, like and subscribe. Comment below, what is your biggest time waste at work? I will tell you how to automate it. Thanks for watching.